Dad, how do I know if he's the right boyfriend?
Easy. If he respects you and is slightly afraid of me.
Dad, what should my boyfriend be like?
Kind to you, honest with himself, and brave enough to meet me.
What's your biggest rule?
If he raises his voice at you, he meets mine.
Tell me more?
Yes, if he honks instead of knocking, stay inside.
Dad, he says he's mature.
If he still slams PlayStation buttons, no, he's not.
He called me perfect.
Red flag. Nobody's perfect except your mama.
What should I look for?
If he can't lead himself, he's not leading you anywhere.